Okay, so folks, here we go again with the pyramid, 5, 10, 15. Today's going to be push-ups, but in the 5, clapping push-ups. And then the 10 is going to be lower body abs, kind of like the dragon flag, where you kick your legs up in the air. I'll explain it. And the last one, as you see, is going to be hurdle steps. Some jumping, some hopping, and we'll mix it up as we go, all right? So let's get started. Okay, folks, here we go. 5, 10, 15 pyramid system. We're going to start off with the clapping push-ups. That's right, got to keep moving. Alright, on to the dragon flags, 10 of them. Very nice. You can either use the hands freestyle, or if you need extra leverage, feel free to use your hands to support the flag extension. And remember, the work is on the way down, not on the way up. Awesome. Alright, into the hurdle steps. Hippity hop. Remember, the ground is hot. You gotta move quick. 15 times one way, take it back the other way, for a total of 15. That looks great. Alrighty. Come on, keep it moving. Gotta keep that pace. Alright folks, round 2. Here we go. Back to the clapping push-ups. Remember, this is an explosive exercise. Creates more strength for less work. Stabilizes the back when you catch yourself. Back to the dragon flags. Very nice. Extend as high as you have the flexibility. Remember, the work level is up to you. Take it as fast as you want or as slow as you want, but you have to work. Excellent. Come on. Keep pushing. Very nice. Alright, so in the second round, we're going to mix it up on the hops, steps, and jumps, just to show you that you have full control of the variety of the types of exercises you want to do. By the way, it's low-level plyometrics. The ground is hot. Keep it moving. Nice single leg hops. Single leg the other way. Excellent. Single leg again. Very nice. Whew. Alright, double leg hops. And lateral hops. Keep it going, nice and crisp. The ground is hot. Run throughs. Quick feet, quick feet. Excellent. Alright, here we go. Back to the hurdle hops. Finish strong. You can even do a pause to stabilize. Alright, posture break. Good work, people. Way to go. Alright, let's start round 3. Keep it flowing. Go at your own pace. This is health and longevity. It's up to you how fast or how slow you go. Come on, crank those push-ups out. Finish strong with the dragon flag. The work is on the way down. Remember, the work is on the way down. Those look great. Awesome. Here we go, people. Here we go. Final round. Remember, you're welcome to do up to 5 rounds today. Or any day. 3 is just the beginning. Awesome. Alright. Last round of hurdle hops. Left and right, left and right. The ground is hot. See that quick? See that quick? Good. Quick feet, people. Quick feet. Chop it up. Chop it up. Excellent. Now we're talking. Oh man. Good work, people. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Alright. Finish strong. Finish strong. Whew. Good job. And there you have it, folks. 3 rounds. You're welcome to do 5 if you want. The main thing is you keep the template You figure out how to mix them up for yourself. Calisthenic bodyweight, 10-minute fitness. Peace.